In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-step verification on your Yahoo account. This security feature is an essential step to protect your personal information, ensuring that your data remains safe from unauthorized access. Let's dive into the process together. First things first, you'll need to head over to yahoo.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button, which is typically perched in the top right corner. Clicking that will whisk you away to the Sign In page. Here, you'll need to enter your Yahoo username. Make sure you type it in carefully. We want to avoid any hiccups from the get-go. Once you've entered it all correctly, hit the Next button to proceed. You'll now face the password prompt. Type in your password, ensuring there are no mistakes since these are case-sensitive and can trip you up easily. With every character in its rightful place, click Next again to sign in. If you've done everything correctly, you'll gain access to your account. Once you're navigated inside, look for where it says Manage Your Account. This area is your central hub for controlling various aspects of your Yahoo account, including those all-important security settings. Go ahead and click on Manage Your Account, and then dive into Account Security, your main station for all security-related features. Within these settings, keep a keen eye out for the Security option. This particular choice will guide you to the array of security features and tools provided by Yahoo. When you're in, scroll gently down the page until you stumble upon the option for two-step verification. You'll notice a button labeled Turn On. Clicking this will fire up the setup process for this critical security enhancement. Making this choice will bring you to a decision point. How do you want to receive your verification codes from now on? Yahoo offers a couple of options here, receiving them via a text message or through an authentication app. Choose the method that aligns best with your preferences for convenience and security. Once you've made your selection, Yahoo will send a verification code using your chosen method. You'll need to enter this code into the provided field with precision, ensuring it's error-free. After you've entered the code, hit Verify. This step is crucial as it confirms that you have access to the contact method you selected, adding that much-needed extra layer of security to your Yahoo account. And just like that, with your verification now confirmed, you've successfully enabled two-step verification. From this point forward, each time you log in, you'll need both your password and a verification code to access your account. This setup significantly enhances the security of your Yahoo account, giving you peace of mind knowing that your personal information is better shielded from prying eyes.